Happy Tuesday, Move Me Poetry community. Today's lesson is a Spanish form called the Quintilla. It is a 5-line stanza. A lot of the times this is the end of the poem, but you can have more than one stanza. And we'll get into the rules of that in a second, but a lot of quintillas are actually just one stanza, but they do not have to be. Each line in the stanza has 8 syllables. Okay, then it gets interesting with the rhyme scheme rules. Okay, so the stanza will have an A-B rhyme scheme. 2 of them have to be A and 2 of them have to be B. But the last 2 lines in the stanza cannot rhyme. So they have to be separate. They have to be A-B. So what that means is that actually there's only a couple of possible rhyme schemes that you can use in the stanza. So you can have A, B, A, B, and so forth as shown on the slide. Now, for longer poems, the rhymes change, but you keep the same pattern for all the stanzas. All right, so if you choose an A, B, B, A, B rhyme scheme in stanza 1, then that's what you will use in the rest of the poem. Okay, so the example for today is a new poem by me. I was going to write just a simple quintilla that was just one stanza, but the muses got to me, and I had created a 4-stanza poem. It's called A Question, and I have the rhyming on the side. Would you follow me when I'm lost, fear striking chords against the clouds, ready to drown me at all cost? Can you make a promise out loud that would guide me from these paths crossed? I'm tired from the weight of the rain that blurs the sight lines of my life, my leg strength gone from this terrain that confuses my spirit, strife stings my soul. Is this my refrain? Or do you carry notebooks filled with lines protected from these storms? Words you know will change unfulfilled, dreamers to explorers transformed, to walk unafraid, heart strong-willed. I will sit to listen, even, as my jawbone starts to harden from the cold. Let us believe in the things we can't view, a pardon for the broken pieces within. And as you see, I kept the same pattern, just changed the rhyming for each stanza. So I look forward to reading your poems, whether it's one stanza or if the muses hit you and you create a longer poem. So hope you enjoy this form and look forward to reading your poetry.